appears to be working. I'm going to put a new video card in today. And you're going to watch. So currently we got the current video card working. And I got spanning across 3 screens. Let's power off. We can commence. This is currently running on a 5770. Let's get some entertainment going. And now the unboxing. Alright. Ray peanuts. Aw, special. 78. 50. Peanuts. Go away, peanuts. Alright. Push this baby out. Make some effort noises. And what do we have? I did research. Mini display ports. Not too happy with that, but other than that, pretty sexy. HIS. Fun. Alright. Start taking things apart. See how fast we can do this without injuring anyone. Alright, currently have this, can you even see that? Probably not. Maybe you can. So, I got a little adapter here for DVI to VGA, so I'm rocking some analog there. Take this. The 2 DVIs off. I wonder if I'll remember which one's which. Probably not. We'll figure it out. Alright. Unplugified. We're taking things off. I'm still connected. Bring this closer. How are we still attached? Look at that. Alright. Yeah, as I figured. Third one. Loose. Alright. 6-pin power adapter I need. Use the 5770. I suspect it's the same for. Yes, it is. Awesome. So, preemptively. Catch that. How'd it go? That's connected. It's in. Check twice for motorcycles. Looks like we're in. Snugly. Our connector. Didn't loosen any of it. See that? Looks like we're good. Beautiful. Alright, what do we got in the back? Oh dear. That's the problem already. Only one DVI here. So I may not have an adapter for it. See what they got. Nope, I'm fucked. Cut the tape while I look for parts. Alright, I'm back. Found an adapter. Gonna have to do HDMI and then HDMI to DVI adapter to the monitor because the monitor does not have an HDMI slot. So here we go. Plug. This baby in. You have to bring this up to the monitor. There we go. Let's see what I'm doing anyway. I know what kind of monitor it is. This one it doesn't have HDMI on it. All right. Let's see what that and plug the wrong one. Get rid of this one. Finally. Fine. I can walk away. Yay. Get rid of this adapter because that's a full display port. We're only going to mini. Huh. See if this baby spins up. Go. Oh my God. Could it be true? That's disappointing. See what happens. Oh, I have to update the graphics card. the driver. Oh, that makes me sad. I'm going to take another break because that's going to take forever. Alright, we're back. And we have a new driver installed. And we have all three screens running. This is a good thing, especially if you want to use all three screens. We want to do, we're doing just mirroring of all three screens that we want to do, and then why did I close that? I have no idea why I closed that. So we'll have to start it up again. Oh
I got off the train in Vancouver, Washington. Because it stopped in Vancouver, and I didn't understand that.
You wanted to see me restart it anyway, didn't you? Alright, Infinity. Let's create a group. No, we don't want it in that topology. We want that.
I had a pilot's license already, but I was learning a new skill. I was learning a new
We'd like to
thing.
continue.
So it pulls into Vancouver, Washington, and stops. It just sits there, and I'm like, oh god. I guess this
Dramatic
was just
pause.
a really short train that just went to Vancouver. So I get off, and of course immediately the train starts up and off it goes.
OMG, it looks like it's done. Oh.
And so I walk
It's
across.
a beautiful thing.
For those of you who are not in the Pacific Northwest, there's a giant
Alright, let's see.
river across the Columbia
Steam,
River. There's a
let's
giant
Steam.
train bridge that goes across the Columbia. I walk
No
across
particular
this train
reason.
bridge and walking, I'm looking for
Alright, there is a reason.
a place to sleep. And so it's so late, and I'm so tired, and I'm so stupid, and I find this big, beautiful, open area, and I'm like, oh, perfect. And I'm carrying a tent at this point, and I walk over this kind of rough ground, and I find a clearing, and I set up my tent. And in the morning,
Now
I
we're
wake
going
up
to
to the
start
sound
the
of
Aliens vs. Predator
all around me.
benchmark.
Oh no.
And
Let's see what this baby can
It's
do.
already hot. It's like 7:30 in the morning.
Watch
It's
and
already
enjoy.
hot. It's the middle of the summer. And I poke my head out of my tent all sweaty, and I look around, and I have pitched my tent in the middle of a garbage dump. On a patch of land that had apparently, like, they laid down many layers of garbage, and then they would put dirt over the top of it. So I'm on a very thin layer of dirt.
You're literally in a landfill.
In a landfill.
They're filling the land, putting land on top, and then more filling.
Right.
Like a big, dirty garbage sandwich.
And all around me are those giant bucket loaders driving around full of garbage, and the guys in the bucket loader trucks have never laughed so hard in their life. And they're doing their job. They're taking their buckets of trash, but every one of them makes a point to just drive as close as he can to my tent and just laugh and laugh, tears streaming down their face as I get out in my underwear and get dressed, fold up my sleeping bag in my tent.
Is it really as comical as it sounds, though? Were you amongst garbage, or had you just found a clear spot?
I was surrounded by garbage. There was dirt. There was a layer of dirt over the top of it. So in the middle of the night, I thought it was just this really freshly plowed.
You don't have like a Coleman lantern you were busting. You set this tent up many times. You know, I need this much. I need this much flat land. I need this much stuff that doesn't have a washer dryer on it, and I can pitch my tent.
Yeah, and I was 17, so I was dumber than rocks, and I didn't. I mean, this is the type of thing that if you were even the ripe old age of 18, you probably would have stood there for a second and thought, wait a minute, what is this place? You would have caught a whiff of it, or you would have would have.
Complete.
Part as somebody who used to read books, this is the part of my mind where it's unresolved. Is that I feel like for myself, and when I'm anywhere, even like slightly near a dump, there's a very specific smell to a dump. I would call it the dump smell.
It is a dump smell, but there were a couple of things working here on me.
The dirt. All right, the dirt for sure.
The dirt, and also it was right next to a river, and so there was a strong breeze. It was open country, you know. I don't know. It was very late at night.
Oh, so there was a river smell too?
Yeah, baby.
There was a river smell, but also like the combination, I think, of the fresh dirt and the breeze.
38.2
disguised the dump
frames
smell
per second on the average.
Pitch my tent and fall asleep. But boy, in the morning, in the hot sun, it sure smelled like a dump.
And in retrospect, you do
See,
feel like this is a rookie mistake. Because
I
again, I try to be sensitive to these things. If we need to cut this out, we can.
I think I
try
had
to
the
be
full
sensitive to the things
I had
that you learn in
4x
your training and automatic
anti-aliasing
My
on.
question to you is, in retrospect,
And that's the resolution I'm rolling.
the living shit out of you to know that you
There
made
you go.
such a potentially poor decision.
I think we're
on
done.
location. I bet it was
I don't
not
think I need a
defensible
video
position.
anymore.
I'm guessing. For
Do
one
you?
thing, you may have been on lower ground
cut
than I
it.
would have liked.